History of philosophy often remembers the beginning of everything in a small coastal city called Miletus. After the revolutionary ideas of Thales and the abstract theories of Anaximander, the Miletus school reached its peak with a name that brought philosophy back to the practical world: Anaximenes. Born around 585 BC, Anaximenes was the student and successor of Anaximander. While his teacher spoke of a mysterious infinite substance called Apeiron, Anaximenes sought a more tangible explanation for the existence of the universe. He wasn't just a theorist, he was an observer of nature. He looked at the stars, the weather, and the very act of breathing. For Anaximenes, the essence of all things, the Arche, had to be air. He argued that air was infinite and divine, yet it could be observed in its different forms. His most famous contribution to human thought was the discovery of how matter changes. By proposing the concepts of condensation and rarefaction, he became the first person in history to explain how one substance could turn into another through a physical process. He taught that when air thins, it becomes fire, and when it thickens, it transforms into wind, clouds, water, and eventually solid stone. Anaximenes also left his mark on early astronomy. He believed the Earth was a flat disk, floating on a cushion of air like a leaf, which kept it from falling. He explained that the sun, the moon, and the stars were also made of fire, but were supported by the same air that holds the world. Beyond his scientific observations, his philosophy had a deeply spiritual side. He saw a direct parallel between the human soul and the cosmic air. He famously stated that just as our soul, being air, holds us together, so do breath and air encompass the whole world. This idea of the breath of the world later became the foundation for the Stoic concept of pneuma, the life force that moves through all living things. Though he lived a quiet life focused on his studies, Anaximenes completed the great Milesian trilogy, proving that the universe operates not by the whims of gods, but by the laws of nature. He was the first to bridge the gap between abstract thought and physical reality. As you breathe in today, remember the man who saw that very breath as the secret of the cosmos and the source of all life. This is the legacy of Anaximenes.